Imagine stepping into a room and captivating everybody with your radiant and confident smile. At Smile Avenue Family Dentistry, we believe that a dazzling smile unlocks your true potential. Partnering up with us, you'll embark on a transformative journey to achieve an unforgettable smile that lights up any space. Your path to an alluring smile commences with mastering the fundamentals of oral health. Neglecting dental care basics invites a myriad of issues. The ramifications of oral neglect transcend aesthetics. Inadequate dental hygiene is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and stroke due to inflammations and infections. Embracing proper dental hygiene is transformative, extending beyond your smile to impact your entire life. At Smile Avenue Family Dentistry, we guide you through mastering the steps necessary for optimal oral health. From routine cleanings to advanced procedures, each action towards dental care paves the way to a happier, healthier you, transcending mere aesthetics to elevate your overall well-being.